Alrighty guys, GC Indy here, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use a gamepad with the ArenaNet client for Guild Wars 2. Disclaimer, this does work for any other game too, so if you do have another game that you want to play that does not have controller support, you can use this method. So first, we're going to go down here to add game. We're going to add non-Steam game. And whatever game you're going to be looking for will show up in here probably. So right here is Guild Wars 2. We do not want to click that. What we do is we hit browse, and it'll probably show us up in our local disk. If not, if you go to your PC, go to local disk, program files, and it's probably going to be in here. If you just selected the standard, download, click Guild Wars 2, make sure you click this executable file. It'll be GW2 64. Click that, hit open. I'm not going to do it because I already did it before. So once you do all that, it'll show up down here. So it'll say add selected program. Then you hit that once you're done. Then when you add that, you'll come over here. You'll see it on your library list. You'll right click it, go down to properties. We'll show this up. Then you go to controller. And then you go to enable Steam input. And then you can either click up here to controller config from this screen, and then this will pop up. Or once you have this done, you could just go right down here, right click, go to manage, and then controller layout will be right there, and it'll pop right up for you. So then I shared this with the community, this layout I have. So if you guys wanted to start with that, but you go to edit layout, and this is where you can change all your stuff. I'm not going to go into big detail with this. If you guys want more of an in-depth tutorial on how to make these stuffs, I can do that. But I just grabbed someone else's and used it as a template and then customized it to my own. A way to do that is you go to view layout. Nope, wrong thing. Click right there. What is that called? Current button layout, I guess. You just click right on here and it'll show up here. Then you can go over to community layouts. Mine should be up there, or you could search it like with this. Sorry, had a little brain fart there. So you can go over to search and you can see other people have made other templates as well. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So then once you got all that done, you have the Steam input enabled, your layout figured out. Then when you have to make sure you go over here and you click run it. You have to run it from Steam. So if you try to just go and click it from the desktop, like right here, it won't work. You have to open up Steam and run the game through your Steam library. And then I could show you, oh, of course. But then I could show you, now this is my controller here, I guess. Here, let me do it this way. Come over here, bump on the camera. Okay, so you can see, using the controller here, go down, the play button, hit play. So yeah, I'm doing all the movement with the controller. I even have it set up so I can use the touchpad. And then yeah, so I can run around, jump on my mount. Now here's one very important step that you have to remember. When you get into your game, you go to your options, come down here, and you go all the way down to camera. You have to make sure you toggle action camera on. What that will do is see how my controller is moving around freely, but I have it set up to where this button turns it off and then it goes back to the cursor. So you'll strafe like normal, but then when I turn action camera back on, you'll be looking like that. So you want to really make sure you turn that on, or you'll be like, why the F isn't this working? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions in the comments, or I'll be live all the time, so check out the live, come talk to me, or yeah, so This is a one-shot video, by the way. I'm going to do this no editing. If you got this far, let me know you did. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you live if I see you.